Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up quick start gesture in Infinix Note 40 device. So for this feature guys, first of all go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of special function. So in this section, again scroll and go to action and gesture. So right now we are talking about quick start, so just tap on quick start and then enable this feature so that when this phone is off, if you write C on the screen, so the camera will be start, and if you write M, so YouTube music will be start. And we can also set other settings like enable this and then click to toggle. So we can set mobile data, Bluetooth and etc. So let's check. If I enter C here, so if I enter C and the camera will be start, and if I enter M, so YouTube music will be start, but we have to enter the password for this. So that's how we can set up quick start in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.